First, we are featuring the ADDIESDIVE AD2071 watch, just priced around $100. This piece boasts a stunning green sunburst dial, vibrant and unique, the reminiscent of sunlight through water. If green isn't your style, it's available in grey and red. Constructed with 316L stainless steel case and bracelet, it has a comfortable 39mm diameter and weight around 136 grams. The sapphire glass features an internal and reflective blue coating, adding a vintage charm. Inside is powered by reliable Japanese NH35 with water resistance up to 100 meters. This watch is perfect for daily wear, diving or swimming. Although I don't recommend swimming with this. The BGW9 blue luminescent also great visibility in low light. The safety folding clasp is sturdy and watch comes in normal packaging with handy tools. The green dial variant truly stands out, offering style, durability. And now, this timepiece elegantly blends ancient Chinese culture with a modern Bauhaus aesthetic. Its unique design is reminiscent of traditional jade discs, capturing the essence of history and artistry. Powered by the reliable ST17 Seagull automatic movement, the watch has 39mm case diameter and a thickness of just 10.5mm, making it a perfect fit for any wrist. Weight is only around 55 grams, it's both comfortable and stylish. The strap is crafted from leather with a water resistance up to 50 meters and suitable for daily wear. The durable sapphire glass protects the watch from scratches and damage. The Seagull Bi-Disc is available in 3 captivating colors: grey, blue and striking green disc, which is my favorite. Not just a watch, it's like a statement piece. At a price of just around $90 with a potential discounts during this special 11/11 sale, it's an affordable watch that adds a touch of a culture elegance to your collection. The Seagull TV watch. This stunning 36mm timepiece brings back the nostalgic vibes with its design inspired by classic television screen. Remember that iconic no-signal TV image? It's not just a watch, it's a conversation starter. Powered by Seagull ST2100 movement, this watch features both Chinese and English calendar functions. The case is made out from durable 316L stainless steel with sapphire crystal to protect both dial and the transparent case back, showcasing an automatic movement. The comfortable sleek band is secure with folding buckle and it's water resistant up to 50 meters, making it perfect for everyday wear. Available in 4 stylish colors: white, blue, grey and black. The Seagull TV watch combines functionality with touch of nostalgia, just for around $400. I think it's just a bit pricey for Chinese watch, right? But you gotta give it a chance because this is the first original TV design and it's from China. Yes, you are correct. Next up is the Merkur Paulin Salmon dial watch. Unlike the other brands here in AliExpress, Merkur tend to make more original designs. So that's what I like about Merkur. The standout feature of this watch is the salmon colored dial. It goes with any outfit actually. The watch has a 20mm strap and 12mm thickness and hand-wind MD01 movement. Merkur calls it an in-house movement, but it's actually based on the Chinese Tongji movement. It's also got very easy to read dial and a hard leg crystal that's totally fine for this price point. With water resistant up to 50 meters, you can wear it daily without any issues. The leather brand is actually pretty good in this case and it comes in a plastic box. This dial also comes in 2 different font styles and you can message the Merkur store before shipping to ensure the style you are getting is correct. Just around $100 in the sale. It's an affordable fit for any watch collector. I personally own this and I will do a review in the future. Stay tuned. Next up is the IPOSE IX&DAO 5303, powered by reliable PT5000 movement. This watch is a homage for well-known Swiss brand Serica. 200 meters of water resistance, which is perfect for diving or everyday wear. With sleek 40mm diameter and a robust 20mm thickness, this watch is crafted from high-quality stainless steel. It's packed with features like date complication and 4 Hz movement, complete calendar, all protected by sapphire crystal date window. And yes, you see that tiny loom tip on the bezel? It's also sapphire, adding an extra touch of premium, isn't it? What I particularly love is the top quality mesh bracelet that complements the watch beautifully. Secured with a folding clasp, includes safety features. With a total band length of 20 centimeters, it's designed for fit comfortable on most wrists. You can even request images of the watch shipping from the $100 store to ensure everything is perfect. I will include the link below to the store. Price just around $200 to $250. This watch offers incredible value. I already have this in my collection and I'll be doing a detailed review soon, so stay tuned for this also. Next up is the FARASUTE Doctor's Watch, a timepiece that stands out with one of the most unusual and unique designs on my list. This watch pays homage to history, reflecting how doctors traditionally use a small second hand to count patients' pulses per minute. The clever design separates the second hand from the main dial, making it a breeze to track the time during examinations. For those who love a pop of color, there's a version featuring a striking red second hand, adding a vibrant flair to its distinctive style. The watch features a sleek rectangular case measuring just 11.2mm in thickness, 31mm case diameter, crafted from durable stainless steel. The sapphire crystal protects the dial, ensuring clarity and scratch resistance. With classic Arabic numeral markers, delivers a timeless and easy-to-read aesthetic. Water resistant up to 30 meters, it can handle daily splashes but not for swimming or any serious activities. The stylish leather band secured with a buckle clasp offers a comfortable fit for total length of 19 centimeters and price around $220 during sales. Next on my list is the Proxima PX1721. This stunning diverse watch features a striking gemstone dial that catches the light beautifully, complemented by a contrasting blue-minute hand for easy time reading. Its robust 39mm case made out from 316L stainless steel, ensuring both style and longevity. With a water resistant up to 200 meters, this watch perfect for diving adventures, and the fully loomed sapphire bezel insert ensures excellent visibility in low light conditions. The watch is designed with a comfortable fit, features lug-to-lug measurement of 45mm and a thickness of just 11.5mm and is ideal for a diver's watch, I guess. It comes with a solid stainless steel band and has a quick release structure for the ease of adjustments. Price around $260 during sales. We got San Martin model SN0116, a dive watch that's a top-notch quality that easily comparable with entry-level Swiss brands, making it a standout among all other AliExpress brands. With vintage style distressed bezel and distressed hands and the dial, this complement the edged loom and the unique flair, giving it a timeless appeal. Powered by reliable NH35, it features 39.5mm case diameter, 12mm thickness and 47 lug-to-lug. The worry-free 200 meters of water-resistant sapphire crystal protect the dial from scratches, while the numberless design keeps time sleeking, versatile for any occasion. Thanks to the C3 luminous markers, you will always be able to check the time whether you are exploring underwater or enjoying your night out. But compared to other San Martin models, the loom is pretty weak here because it's using edged loom. With a screw-down crown and a case back, you can enhance water resistance for all your adventures. About $200 during sales is a steal for your money. Next up in the list is another ADDIESDIVE watch, the ADDIESDIVE AD2066. It has 30mm simple stainless steel case design, features reliable Japanese movement VH31 movement, that which is a quartz movement, unlike the rest of automatic movements in the list. Its standout feature, a stunning wind-grilled sunburst dial that shines in natural light, perfect for any outfit, whether casual or dressy. Made out from 316L stainless steel, it's lightweight and comfortable at just 115 grams. With unique bubble mirror glass in screw-in crown, it's water-resistant up to 100 meters even at this price point. Very impressive at its dive. The BGW9 in Luminosa hands make it easy to read in low light. Packed in stylish toolbox, it's a great gift for a treat for yourself. Priced around just $50. Available in colors like white and space gray, this watch offers style and function without breaking anyone's bank. Peak is for the best AliExpress watch so far in 2024 and the one that you should get in the 11th sale, right? The Martin's SN0116. The JianZhan watch. This gorgeous timepiece draws inspiration from the famed JianZhan porcelain of the Song dynasty, known for its rich history and royal connections. This watch features a unique screw-down case back with a Chinese stamp made in San Martin. It's powered by the reliable Miyota 9015 automatic mode with just 39mm case diameter, an extremely low 10.1mm thick, and it's lightweight and comfortable to wear. The beautiful gradient enamel dial comes in turquoise blue, fiery red and vibrant orange. Plus the luminous hands ensure you can read the time even in low light. The watch is water resistant up to 100 meters and features a solid stainless steel bracelet with an adjustable clasp for the perfect fit. Just around $300. Those were my picks for this sale. Each watch has its own unique style and features. If you liked any of them, be sure to check them out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more watch reviews. Let me know in the comments which one caught your eye. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time.